Now, one of the most tedious things you may have to do as somebody that runs a WordPress site is to moderate comments. If you have a popular site, you could end up with dozens or even hundreds of comments, and getting through them pretty quickly, clicking all the little links and checking all the boxes can take a while. But fortunately, there are keyboard shortcuts to help you through it. So to enable keyboard shortcuts, you want to go to Users, Your Profile, and make sure you check off Enable Keyboard Shortcuts for Comment Moderation. So check that and then hit Update Profile. So you've got that on now. You can use keyboard shortcuts. The key to going to each individual item is using the J and K keys. J will go to the next item and K to the previous one. So when nothing was selected there, it went to the first item, and now I can go up and down the list with J and K. To select the current item, I can hit X, and that selects something. So I can X to the next one, hit X again. So if you want to do quick selections, you can do it that way. Now to actually do something with the current item that you have selected there, you can use keys that correspond to the links that you see here. So A is approve, R is reply, Q is quick edit, E is edit, S is spam, and breaking the mold, it's not T for trash unfortunately, but D for delete. So that's the only one you got to remember is a little bit different. Now notice even if you hit A for approve, it changes to unapprove, and you could hit U to unapprove. So you have the ability to do that. If you've checked off several different ones, so I can do say an X to check that one off, go to the next one, hit X, then I can use Shift and something like Shift and A to approve both of those. So you have that ability there. Also, if you are looking at the trash, so let's go and say select this one here, trash, D for delete for trash. Then I go into trash. If I select something here, then I want to restore it. I would use Z to basically remove it from the trash and get it back. So you have some really cool options for just quickly navigating through this, and you can do a lot of things really fast. For instance, I can go in here and I could say let's reply, and now I can type a reply and then hit the approve and reply button, and that will then not only approve it but automatically put that reply after that comment. I never even have to go to that page to actually then add the reply. So this type of thing in conjunction with the keyboard shortcuts, you can get through moderation really fast. Myself, I like to go through and do the D's for deletes and the S's for spams first, get down to just a few that I need to actually do something with, maybe then approve the ones that just get plain approved, and then do quick edits or the edit and reply to those, and then I'm done.